Hey there, it's Dave of Flipperforce. I'm excited to announce that we just launched our new Invoice Report, which takes all of your expenses from the expense tracker and organizes those expenses by the invoice number. So one of the recent updates that we did was we added an invoice number column. You can see that in the background of our expense tracker. Basically, that's a new way for you to organize all of your expenses by an invoice number or a receipt number. So you'll see here I've got the expense window open here, and I've added in a bunch of different expenses. So this is basically a breakdown of an expense, and you can see I've got some doors on here, a vanity, some hardwood flooring, stuff like that, and then I've got it broken down and categorized and all of those costs here. So the total invoice amount is going to be $2,250 with $173 in tax, for a total grand total of $2,424. So you'll notice when I add this expense in here, it's going to add itself to the expense tracker, and it's going to be organized by the invoice number. And when I go over here to the accounting reports section, you'll notice a new invoice expense report. So basically what that's going to do is that's going to help you organize your expenses by the invoice number. So you can see here we've got two invoices uploaded in here so far. We've got one that's 286654, then we got one that's 2323523, and that was that one that we just added in there for $2,424. And so that's the summary. You've got a summary page here. This is going to show you your overall summary of the invoices that you've added, and then you've got a breakdown here. So here's the breakdown of our first invoice there, and then here's the breakdown of our second invoice. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you reconcile your expenses that you've got in the expense tracker. So basically what you can do is you can pull open your receipt and you can compare line item by line item on the receipt, compare that subtotal on the receipt, that sales tax amount, and that grand total amount to the hard copy receipts that you have, just to kind of do a reconciliation and make sure that everything that you've got in the expense tracker is lining up with the hard copy receipts that you have on file. So that is our new invoice report. Again, you can access that by just going down here to the accounting reports section in the bottom left hand corner and then clicking on invoice report. We hope you like that new feature. If you have any new ideas or suggestions on how we can improve the platform, please let us know.